Welcome back. If you were here for episode 1, I am so glad you came back. And if this is your first time joining us, welcome. You found a good one to start with. I'm Wendy, and this is Speak Like a Pro, the place where you practice real English for real work situations. Not textbook English, not formal, stiff, nobody actually talks like this English. The kind of English that gets you through an actual Monday morning, an actual deadline conversation, an actual moment when your manager walks over and you need to sound calm and ready, even if you do not feel that way yet. Today is episode 2 of Daily Workplace Conversations. Same format, you speak with me immediately, every single time, not after you feel ready, now. Because waiting until you feel ready is exactly what keeps fluency stuck. So take a slow breath, shoulders down, let's go. Imagine it is the middle of the work week, Wednesday. You are at your desk. Your teammate walks past and says, "Hey, you doing okay? You look focused." Shadow that with me. "Hey, you doing okay? You look focused." Again. "Hey, you doing okay? You look focused." Good. Now here's your response. Just getting through my to-do list. Say it with me. Just getting through my to-do list. One more time. Just getting through my to-do list. Natural, real. That is how people actually talk at work. Here are a few more midweek phrases you will use more than you think. Phrase 1. I've got a lot on today. Repeat. I've got a lot on today. Again. I've got a lot on today. Phrase 2. Almost done. Give me an hour. Repeat. Almost done. Give me an hour. Again. Almost done. Give me an hour. Phrase 3. Let me check and get back to you. Repeat. Let me check and get back to you. Again. Let me check and get back to you. Short, easy to say, easy to remember, and that is exactly why they work under pressure. Now let's talk about one of the most common situations at work, and one of the most uncomfortable ones for English learners, giving an update. Your manager asks, "Where are we with the report?" And suddenly your mind goes blank. You know the answer, but the English to deliver it smoothly, that is what we're building right now. Phrase 1. I'm about halfway through. Repeat. I'm about halfway through. Again. I'm about halfway through. Phrase 2. I'm on track. Repeat. I'm on track. Again. I'm on track. Phrase 3. I'll send it over soon. Repeat. I'll send it over soon. Again. I'll send it over soon. Phrase 4. I hit a small delay. Repeat. I hit a small delay. Again. I hit a small delay. Now add the second part. But I'm sorting it out now. Repeat. But I'm sorting it out now. Again. But I'm sorting it out now. Now put them together. I hit a small delay, but I'm sorting it out now. Repeat. I hit a small delay, but I'm sorting it out now. Again. I hit a small delay, but I'm sorting it out now. That last one is important because things go wrong at work. Deadlines shift, people do not send you what you need, and when that happens, the professionals who get respected are not the ones who pretend everything is fine. They are the ones who communicate clearly and calmly. That sentence tells your manager everything. You are aware, you are handling it, you are not panicking. Keep that one very close. Now let's get into meetings, and this time we're not just walking in, we're participating, because there's a difference between sitting in a meeting and being present in a meeting. The difference is your voice. Here are the phrases that get you into the conversation without overthinking every word. Phrase 1. Can I add something? Repeat. Can I add something? Again. Can I add something? Phrase 2. Just to build on that. Repeat. Just to build on that. Again, just to build on that. Phrase 3, there might be another way. Repeat, there might be another way. Again, there might be another way. Phrase 4, I can take that on. Repeat, I can take that on. Again, I can take that on. Phrase 5, can we capture that in the notes? Repeat, can we capture that in the notes? Again, can we capture that in the notes? Feel that? That is not someone sitting quietly hoping nobody calls on them. That is someone who shows up, someone who moves things forward, and not one of those phrases required a long explanation or a perfect opinion. They're bridges. They get you into the conversation, and once you're in, the rest follows naturally. Now let's talk about asking for feedback, because this is a moment even fluent speakers find uncomfortable. You want to know how you're doing, but you don't want to sound unsure or needy. Here's how professionals handle it. Phrase 1. Do you have any feedback for me? Repeat. Do you have any feedback for me? Again. Do you have any feedback for me? Phrase 2. What could I do better next time? Repeat. What could I do better next time? Again. What could I do better next time? Phrase 3. I'd love your thoughts on this. Repeat. I'd love your thoughts on this. Again. I'd love your thoughts on this. Phrase 4. Are you happy with the direction? Repeat. Are you happy with the direction? Again. Are you happy with the direction? Asking for feedback is not weakness. It's a sign of someone who is serious about growing, and the people who ask clearly, calmly, without apologizing for asking, those are the people who move forward faster. Now, the full drill. Everything from today, fast. No pausing to think, just your voice. Ready? Just getting through my to-do list. I've got a lot on today. Almost done. Give me an hour. Let me check and get back to you. I'm about halfway through. I'm on track. I'll send it over soon. I hit a small delay, but I'm sorting it out now. Can I add something? Just to build on that, there might be another way. I can take that on. Can we capture that in the notes? Do you have any feedback for me? What could I do better next time? I'd love your thoughts on this. Are you happy with the direction? That's a full working day of English in one drill. Do that 3 times this week and watch how differently the words start to come out of your mouth when it actually matters. Here's what I want you to understand before you go. There's a version of you that walks into work tomorrow and has the words. Not perfect words, not accent-free words, just the right words at the right moment with enough calm that people listen. That version of you is not far away. That version of you is a few weeks of consistent practice from right now. Shadow this episode again tonight. Pick 2 phrases that felt difficult and say them until they feel easy, because easy and practice becomes automatic under pressure. And automatic under pressure is what real fluency looks like. If this helped you, subscribe. You can watch other videos that can help you improve in your business English, and every episode builds on the last one. You're not just watching videos, you're building something. Take a breath. You did well today. Keep shadowing, keep speaking, keep showing up. I'll see you in the next episode.